Designed by our Sonoma, California team in collaboration with top repair techs, the e-file sets a new higher standard for what you should expect when you buy a fret end dressing file. The perfect solution to fix fret sprout and sharp fret ends by deburring, shaping, smoothing, and rounding. Unlike common tooth fret end files, our exclusive design features a diamond-coated cutting surface that allows for even, smooth, and precise filing that both cuts and polishes simultaneously.
As far as fret end files go, I think this is the best one out there. This file's got a great handle, it's rubberized and ergonomic, it's got a really great grit structure on the abrasive edges for a clean cut. We've got a real nice radius on one side, opposite the flat polished side, and the end is rounded.
Premium diamonds are applied to two sides of the file. It works amazing for dressing all fret material types, including stainless steel. The fully rounded and polished tip protects from damaging your guitar. We designed the file with two types of non-marring safe edges to enhance functionality. One safe edge is perfectly flat and polished smooth. The other safe edge, identified with an arrow on the handle, is slightly radiused and polished smooth. In addition, all four corners are slightly rounded to avoid damage to the fretboard. The handle's well-balanced and user-centered ergonomics are like no other. It features a double row of thumb and finger grips with smooth transitions to naturally fit in your hand. The high-quality textured rubber grips' tactile feedback enhances comfort and control for all the fine detail and precision fret end work. It even includes a convenient hang hole for storage. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.